and Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Shelby County, Darke County, northwestern Miami County, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of St. Henry to Greenville to near New Madison, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenville, Versailles, Covington, Arcanum, Bradford, Pleasant Hill, Ansonia, New Madison, Webster, Wayne Lakes, Russia, Gettysburg, Laura, Pittsburgh, Osgood, Potsdam, North Star, Gordon, Rossburg, and New Weston.